Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Everyday. Well, today we'll be taking a look inside of what's in here, the CFL lamp, and then we're gonna use whatever's in there to power this boy. As you can see, this is the I just got it, and this is I just forgot its name. I don't remember it. I think it's called. I think it's a transformer. Yeah, it's a transformer. As you can see, there are many pins on it, so it's different from other transformers. As you can see, many pins. So the thing is, this is using TVs. So it has 10 pins for mine, and the number is BSC25-T1010A, and I've already looked up the pins. So this is going to be a cathode, I think that's the negative, and this coil is going to be a primary. We're not going to be using any other pins, and this is a high voltage positive, and this is the high voltage negative, not this one, high voltage negative. Okay, let's get to opening this CFL lamp. Okay, I've taken it apart. Jeez, it took me years. And as you can see, there's a circuit. Come on, get out. I'll be back. Okay, so here's the circuit. Come on, focus. There you go. As you can see, capacitor, inductor, capacitor, transformer. There's a small toroid over there, a transistor over here, capacitor, and some 4 lines. We are not going to be using the leads that are with the capacitor. That means we are not going to be using this and this lead, but we are going to be using the center leads. Yeah, so I'll be back when these lines have been cut, but don't cut this. Yeah, okay, sure, you can cut this also. I'll be back when everything is cut, snipped, and sorted. Okay, I'm back and it's all been snipped, as you can see. And just doing a quick recap, I said we're not going to be using the leads that are connected to the capacitor. So over here is a capacitor, this. So the capacitor, one end goes to this lead here, and the other goes to this lead. And following the other capacitor, this capacitor leads only to this lead, but not to any other. So it's connected to a circuit. So that means we are not going to be using this pin or this pin. No, one. We're not going to be using 1 or 3. So yeah. No 1 and 3. Hey guys, now as you can see, I have not actually soldered this one. I've actually soldered this to this, the plug to this, and the output that the capacitor wasn't attached to were leading out, and it turns. So this is, where's the wire? This. So this is the primary, the 2 black. This red is the negative, and this big red is the positive. So let's connect it, and hopefully this won't blow up. But douche. So guys, big moment. Connections have been made. This plug is actually a little too short to go in there where my soldering iron is connected. So gotta take to my mom's bedroom. She'll be mad if I blew a fuse. But anyway, I'll ask her first. Okay guys, I'm pretty nervous that it's gonna short, and my mom is also freaked out because it will short. Okay, big moment. All good. So far so good. Switch is on. This whole circuit is powered. I don't want to touch that, so I'm gonna just turn it off. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna bring this close using a chicken stick, and I'll be back. Okay guys, big test. Switch turned on. I'm moving this a little bit. So okay, that means it's working. And now I'm gonna use my hand to touch this to this and all the other pins. So let's see how this works out. Please be sparks. Nothing. 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 Not even close. Anything. And look at this. I think. Whoa! I don't want near the thing. Look at this. Nothing. Nothing from around the pin. Nothing. See? There's nothing absolutely going on. A fail. That's a good fail. Actually, that's a good fail. So, and if you're wondering I didn't turn it on, there you go. And of course, there's the fan, not pan. And if you still don't go, I almost touched it. And see this? See? And even if I touch this, nothing. See? Boo!